How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
Oh, very good. Also, I am fine. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Good time to all of you. I hope you are doing well. So today I am here in my village and I am playing with kids. Okay. So I would like to introduce them. So they are my enjoying in this field in the afternoon time. So let me practice with them. So how are you, everyone? How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
Oh, very good. Also, I am fine. Alhamdulillah. So, what are you doing? তোমরা কি করছো এখন? Okay, okay. তোমার নাম কি? সবার নাম বলতে পারো? What's your name? Okay, তোমাদের বয়স কত? মাশাআল্লাহ. Okay, what class are you reading? কোন ক্লাসে পড়ো সবাই? Wow, মাশাআল্লাহ. তোমাদের স্কুলের নাম কি? Okay, okay. Okay. তারপরে তোমার আব্বুর নাম কি? মাশাআল্লাহ. তোমরা কয় ভাই বোনে? Mashallah, okay. So they are enjoying here. So today I enjoyed with them and I am enjoying with them. So okay, সবাই raise your hand. Okay, see you next day. Thank you. সবাই bye বলো bye.